This girl made a post saying that she just didn't like the trend of how everybody is claiming a slow period right now.
Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you were with you. So I come close, I want you.
Welcome to a day in the life of a lash tech. I just finished servicing my client and cleaning the suite. As y'all can see, I'm back in my office about to eat me some lunch before my next client comes. This is the carne asada fries I got last night when I went to see the Beyonce film. They were bomb. I wasn't even eating them for real in the movie because I was so busy watching Beyonce. Ooh, hold on, this look a little cold. Is this cold? It's like warm, but they so good. I can't stop eating them. Nah, still a little cold. It's too good. Let me put these back in the mic. I just had to take a cold bite, so I'm so hungry. Okay, welcome back, girl boss. What is up? I have a full day today. I won't be leaving here until like 5 o'clock. The good thing about it though is that I have a gap in between all my clients. I have 3 clients today. One at 11, another coming at 1, which should be here in 30 minutes. Got another one coming at 4. So yeah, that's all that's on the agenda. I don't really have much to do besides work and edit these freaking Vlogmas videos. Vlogmas means you're editing every single day. I've been wanting to get my videos out by 6 p.m. This may be a pretty chill vlog today. So yeah, just stay around for the vibe. And yeah, when I light this candle, that means I'm about to concentrate. We're gonna get some work done.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
The vitamins I take are B12, D3. I also take a Metamucil, well 2 Metamucils every other day, sometimes every 3 days. Back to editing. You all, that was my last client of the day. It is 5:30 p.m. I'm about to hurry up and clean off my lash bed so that I can try to get this video up onto YouTube by 6:30. I gotta pee so bad. First, I want to just clean up everything so that after I'm finished with that video, I could just leave straight on up out of here and go to the gym. I haven't been to the gym in 2 days. It's gonna be a time seeing how I'm gonna be able to balance uploading a vlog every single day, going to the gym, taking my clients, and going out, as well as filming content for all my social media platforms. But it's possible. People do it. It's not impossible. I was looking on Instagram earlier. This girl made a post saying that she just didn't like the trend of how everybody is claiming a slow period right now, and how instead of her claiming a slow period, hopping on the bandwagon, she's gonna claim a prosperous period, and that it's holiday season right now, so like she doesn't really even understand why anybody has a slow period. I forgot what her Instagram name was, but I wanted to give my 2 cents on it. I'm 50-50 with how she feels, because I do understand that claiming it kind of can like make you delve deeper into actually having a slow period, because if you really feel like you're having a slow period and you just sink into that feeling and don't do anything about it, then your slow period probably won't get better at all. But if you change your mindset and choose to see that as an opportunity to either focus on other things within your business, kind of like what I was talking about in yesterday's vlog, like, you know, use it as an opportunity to up your skill set, then you'll realize that that's actually a very profitable time for you. Maybe not in the way that you're used to, but still a profitable time nonetheless. But I wanted to say that if you are going through a slow period, it happens to the best of us. That's the reality. So like, regardless of people want to acknowledge that or not, sometimes it just does happen to people, regardless of whether they claim it or not. Now, depending on how long that slow period lasts, can be up to the business. I truly do feel like if you really want to get out of a slow period, it's possible to get out of a slow period. Yeah, I just wanted to like give a little input onto what I had saw on Instagram. If you do have a slow period, sometimes it's inevitable. Don't feel bad about that. What you do within that slow period is what matters. Anyway, I'm going to continue cleaning my lash suite. That is all I have for you today, girl bosses. Have y'all ever had to do lashes with one eye contact in? It's terrible. One of my eye contacts popped out while I was doing lashes. If you wear contacts, you know that when you're walking around with one contact, that means that one eye is blurry while the other eye sees clear, and your perspective can be completely thrown off. When you have to do something like lash extensions where it requires you to be like super duper close and you only have one contact in, sometimes things appear closer or further than what they are. I was literally struggling back and forth. It was just, yeah, but I just got done with her filling. Lashing with one contact is crazy. Anyway, I just finished up my first client of the day, and I have a gap until my next one comes. My next one doesn't come until 6 p.m. So I'm gonna do a few things in between this time. I'm gonna finish filming a mukbang video that I started filming earlier that ended up getting cut off because my camera battery died. So I'm about to go into my office and finish filming that. It is a mukbang with me answering questions about being a lash tech, some experiences I've had with being a lash tech, the pros, the cons, just my point of view on entrepreneurship in general, like how it can affect you mentally, and like my mindset on where I am right now. So yes, if you're interested in watching that video, make sure to tune in. I don't know if it's gonna go up before this video or after this video, but if not, just know that it's coming soon. If it's not already up, know that it's coming soon, like soon. No, if it's not already up, know that it's coming soon, like within the next day or two soon. So yeah, I'm gonna finish filming that right now, and then I'm gonna put up to America's Best. Ooh, uh-oh. I feel a dance break coming. I feel a dance break coming. yeah, I'm about to head up to America's Best after I finish filming that video. Get me some contacts, come back here, edit, take my last client, wrap on up here. Also, a lot of our Amazon packages came in right here. I already opened a lot of them because I needed to use a few things for the clients that I had. Remember, we did a mass restock in the last vlog, so the products are now here. I'm gonna open and fill everything up with you all. So in here we have our lash tape. Remember, this is the lash tape that is so bomb. It sticks perfectly without popping up, and it's not too rough on clients when it comes to taking it off. Mascara wands and lip applicator brushes, flower glue rings. Also made an order for more glue from Lash, which I showed when I was just taking the client that I had. Yeah, I like, am I missing anything? I think this is everything. Glue rings, applicator brushes, micro swabs, mascara wands, tape. Yeah, this is everything.
Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you have this place on earth, take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you have this place on earth, take you there, take you there.
I have a question though. When y'all are storing y'all glue, do y'all use the do y'all be using these, like the containers that you can store your glue in? And if y'all use these, do y'all put this in the fridge or do y'all just keep it out? I started putting my glue in the fridge, I want to say about a month ago. It was actually showing good results, like sticking onto the lash like a magnet. I'm out of breath, I don't know why. But then I just stopped. I just started keeping it in this just by itself out because my humidity and temperature was good. But I think I'm gonna start putting it back into the fridge because it's starting to be a little bit toasty in here since we are in the winter season now. If y'all put y'all glue in the fridge, what temperature do you keep your glue at in the fridge? Like, what temperature do you keep the fridge? Let me know, because this is a fresh glue bottle. I want to make sure I don't ruin it by putting it at the wrong temperature or whatever. Anyway, I am all cleaned up for my next client in the morning. We're about to get on up out of here. I'm so happy I didn't end up going straight to my eye doctor. I called first and tried to order me some contacts. Why my eye prescription expired? I could have swore it was every 2 years, not every 1 year. So I had to schedule me an eye exam for tomorrow just to get me some contacts. But it's okay because my eye doctor is on the way to my grandma's house. So after I leave from them, I'm gonna go to my grandma's house and we're gonna hit up the mall, do some Christmas shopping. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Tomorrow we're gonna start our work day and then we're gonna go to my eye doctor appointment and then we're gonna link up with grandma. So that should be a pretty fun day tomorrow. So I'm just gonna end the vlog out right here. I feel like my vlogs are short because this is daily vlog. Some days, most days, I'm literally just up here working, editing, or creating content. I'm trying to get my friends to do some Christmas activities with me, get in the Christmas spirit, but you know, you kind of gotta like pump them up a little bit to get there. So hopefully in the next coming few days, weekends, we'll be able to hit up a few Christmas bars so I can show y'all how cute it is when we go to like the themed elf bars and the winter wonderland bars, all that. If not, I'm gonna take my little cousins. I know they'll always be down to go to something like that. That's all I have for you all today. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, you already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Girl Boss Tribe, because we're a total vibe over here. And turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat, and I'll see you in my next video.
Just see those sleigh bells jingle and ring, tingle, tingle.